What are services in Angular? Services in Angular are simple TypeScript classes. Services are used for several purposes in Angular. In order to reduce the duplicate code, functionalities used in many places can be defined in a service as a single point of usage. We can consume these services in several places by injecting the services. Services are also used for sharing the data across components. We also use service for communicating with external services such as Web API, etc. We have a list of crises. Clicking on the crisis record, we are displaying the crisis ID in the heroes component. We are passing the ID of the crisis via route parameters in this case. In order to create service, in the terminal window, I have to say ng space generate space service space app service, where app service is our service name. In the Explorer window, we can see two files got created. One is appservice.service.ts, the one is appservice.service.peg.ts. We will now see how to put the crisis list values in a single place inside the service and use it in myCrisis component. In the service file, at line number 7, I create a variable crisis list, which is going to be holding the value of all the crisis records. I declare the crisis list as an empty array and I copy the values of my crisis list variable from the my crisis component. I paste these values in the crisis list variable that I have created in the service file. Now I have to export these values to my crisis component.ts file. In order to use this service at various places, I have to mention this app service, which is the service name, in the providers list in the app.modules.ts file. Once I do this step, my service will become usable in various places in our project. I delete the values from the myCrisis component.ts and I inject the app service that I have created in my crisis component. In the constructor, I add an additional argument private appserv : app service service. Now our app service can be used in this component file. On the engineit method at line number 19, I will be able to access the properties present in the app service object. I comment the line number 19 as of now until we create a method in the app service to expose the crisis list to other components. At line number 18, I create a method getCrisisList. GetCrisisList is going to return crisis list value. I say return this dot crisis list. Line number 19, I say this dot myCrisisList equal to this dot appserve dot get crisis list. By doing this, we are putting crisis list variable in the app service as a single point of usage. In the same way, we can inject the app service in any component in our project and call the get crisis list method. What is a subject in Angular? Subject is a type given by RxJS used for emitting and subscribing values across application. We can emit values to subject and then subscribe it in any component in the application. Normally, we use this for passing data across different components. What we are trying to achieve in our application using subject. Whenever the user clicks on the crisis record, we need to emit the details of the crisis in crisis component and subscribe the detail in app component and in my heroes component. Let us see how to do that. In the appservice.service.ts file, at line number 9, I create a variable with name detail, which is going to be of subject data type. This subject is going to accept a string value. So I say detail colon subject, and within the angle brackets I say string or any. In the constructor at line number 22, I say this dot detail equal to new subject of string. Basically, I am instantiating the detail variable. Once I do this, I have to create a method for emitting the crisis detail into this detail variable. At line number 30, I create a function emit details which is going to accept an input of string data type. I say det colon string as input argument. In the emit detail function definition at line number 31, I say this dot detail dot next, and within the brackets I pass the input. In order to emit the details from crisis component, I will have to use the emit details method. I go to the app.component.ts file, and at line number 7 I say providers colon, and within the square bracket I say the app service which is my service name. Once I do this step, I go to the mycrisis.component.ts file. At line number 24, I call the emit detail method in the app service and pass the crisis.detail value. I say this by saying this dot appserve.emit detail crisis.detail. Now, whenever the user clicks on the crisis record, this method gets called and we are emitting the crisis detail. In order to display it in the app component, I create a string variable detail at line number 12. In the app.component.html file, I use the detail variable and display the crisis detail within h1 tag. In the app.component.ts file, at the constructor, I inject the app service by saying private space appserve colon app service service. At line number 16, I subscribe to the detail subject variable by saying this dot appserve dot detail dot subscribe and using the arrow function definition I get the result as a string variable. At line number 16 I assign the result I got by calling the subscribe method to the local variable detail. Now I run the application in the Chrome browser and check if I have passed the detail to the app component. When I click on the crisis record, I can see the details getting displayed in the app component. Let us now subscribe the detail in myheroes component. In the myheroes.component.ts file at line number 14, in the constructor, I inject the app service. In line number 15, I say this dot appserve dot detail dot subscribe in the same way it is going to return me a string variable. Using the arrow function at line number 16, I say console.log from heroes, D. Now when I check the browser by inspecting in the DevTool console tab, whenever I click on the click me button in the crisis record, I can see the information is getting logged in the console.